After you have finished the summary page and the packet for your animal research, then you're ready to move on to the animal poster. So you're going to go back into Brain Honey and click on Benish, and then come over here and you're going to click on Animal Research Shared Reading folder, and down here you'll see the link for Animal Poster Template. And when you click on that, you're going to see a blank screen here, and that's because you have to come down to the bottom and click on the blue hyperlink that says animalposter.pages. And when you click on that, it should download into your downloads folder here, and it should automatically pop open. But if it doesn't, then you can click on this arrow and it'll pop open, and you should see where it says animal poster. When that pops open, it's going to look like this. And yep, it looks like a whole bunch of things that you don't know or people that you don't know, and that's because these, when you hold your arrow over it, it says this image is a placeholder. Drag a new media file here to replace it. So your job is going to be to open up Firefox or Safari, and when you do that, it'll go to the district homepage, and I'm going to go right here to where it says Google, and I'm going to do a search for my animal. Let's just say I had an Arctic fox, and I'm going to click on images in Google. Now you've done this because you've had to upload some images for the large packet that you just worked on. Now you're going to make a poster for the summary page that's going to be on display in the hallway. So, and there's different, you can click on specific types of these animals. Sometimes they'll give you a choice for baby or cute, summertime ones. You may have a specific image that you're looking for because of the research that you've done, and you can type that in here. So maybe I want to type in Arctic fox summer because maybe they look different in the summertime than they do in the wintertime. And so all you have to do when you find an image that you really like, you click it and you drag it over to, well, that's not supposed to happen. You're supposed to be able to drag it over to the image here and drop it onto the poster. So let's see if we try that again. Yeah, it's supposed to just drop it on in. So let me check this out. Okay, so the issue is that you do have to be in Safari. So make sure that you have Safari only opened and you do your Google search. So you can go to google.com and do your search for your animal, click on images, and then when you find the image that you want, you click and drag it, and then you should be able to see, it might come up with a plus sign. If it does this, and you're going to want to make sure that it drops over top of the image. So for some reason now this doesn't want to work. Let's see. It should create a plus sign. There it goes. So when you drop it onto there, it takes the place of the old picture that was there. Okay, and again, you know how to, you can edit the mask of it, where you can make it smaller or bigger to fit into the placeholder. So you should fill in each of the different picture placeholders. Click and drag a picture over top of it, and it will take the place of it, and then your whole page will be filled with that type of animal. So every picture needs to be different. The last thing that you're going to do is you're going to triple click over top of where it says name of animal goes here, and then you're going to type the name of your animal. Arctic fox is the one that I am just using as an example. Now take a look at mine. The first word has a capital letter. The second word has a capital letter. So if your animal has two names, both names need to be capitalized. If it only has one name, then just the first word obviously needs to be capitalized. When you're done with this, we will print them out. Make sure that I double check your page before you click print. So you're going to need to call me over to look at it to get my approval before you go ahead and print. If you have any questions, come back to the video.